Coming up in and around the city of Pattaya today and the coming week, backed by popular demand, is the kitchen party buffet at the YiTong Chinese restaurant and sky bar at the Melia Hotel on Pattaya's Second Road. An evening of flavour, flair and fun with interactive live cooking stations, live entertainment and unlimited signature dishes. That's priced at just 1,500 baht plus per person, and that's from 7 till 10 p.m. this Saturday, the 18th of October. Saturday will also see the Poppy Appeal launch party by the Royal British Legion, kicking off at 2 p.m. with a raffle, a charity auction and a buffet with a toast to absent friends at 5 p.m. All for a good cause, and the venue for this year's event is the Queen Victoria Inn on Pattaya Soi 6. Eat all you can this Saturday evening at the Symphony of Elements buffet. That's at the Elements restaurant at the Intercontinental Pattaya Resort. Indulge in imported oysters and seafood on ice, Australian prime rib, rock lobster, an international cheese station and much more. Priced at just 1,290 baht per person. That's from 6 till 10 p.m. and takes place every Saturday evening. Monday the 20th sees the start of the Pattaya Vegetarian Festival. Lots to see, do and eat with street parades, live performances and lots of stalls offering freshly cooked vegetarian meals. That's a 9-day long event until the 29th of October at the Sawang Boribun Foundation on Naglua Road and surrounding areas. Lots of action down at the Central Mall this Saturday for the second Spirit of Siam Muay Thai boxing competition, organised by Pattaya City Hall in collaboration with Pattaya's Max Muay Thai, featuring both Thai and international fighters, and entrance is completely free. Some great promotions at the 66 Tavern on Soi Siam Country Club this week. They're serving Sunday roast starting at just 199 baht. Every Monday is Ladies' Night with a buy one get one free offer on the cocktails. And every Friday night, kickstart your weekend with live music by the popular Respect Band, playing all your favourite hits from the 60s, 70s, 80s and 90s from 7 till 10 p.m. And every Saturday night is Indian night at the Loft Pub out by the lake. Enjoy beef, chicken or lamb curry with all the trimmings for just 325 baht. For more information on these events, visit our events page over on our website, alwayspattaya.com.